Hello everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel Web Sparrow. So viewers, in this video I'm here with the new script of HYIP investment website. So this is the new latest HYIP investment website. So this is HYIP Max script latest version. So first of all, if you want to buy this script, you can contact me on the number given on the screen on or WhatsApp link is in description. Please feel free to contact me and buy this script. So this is the latest script. If you buy this from us, you will get 100% money back guarantee of script, completely working script, and you will get license purchase code, everything with the script. And uh, and you can host this script on multiple domains and use this for lifetime, so you don't need to extend it. So first of all, let's start our video. First of all, you can see the amazing homepage of this website. Here you can see the live crypto prices on your website. Here is the investment overview section. Here is join HYIP community, and you can change these settings through admin panel, as this website is with admin panel, and you can control complete site through admin panel. Here is our best plan section. You can list plans through admin panel, or you can indirectly invest in these plans by clicking invest now. So these are all the plans over your website. So you can also calculate your earning. Here are the features of this website. You can view all these features, you can list them, you can add them through admin panel. And 5-step referral. First of all, you have to create website account, choose plan, and get profit. So this is a simple concept of this website. So these are the frequently asked questions section. Here are the top investors of the site. You can view all of them, and you can also view latest transactions and withdrawals of your website. You can add customers client testimonials, and you can also add blogs to your website. So you can also change footer section, logo, anything you want to change on your website through admin panel in a single click. So it is very easy to use website. You can easily use it on mobile phone. You don't need to worry, you don't need to buy laptops or any other thing. If you need this script, please contact me, or if you need complete website, we will provide you that with hosting and domain. So let's log into our user panel and see how it looks like. I am just clicking on login because I already have account on this website, but you must have to register on this site. So you can also see this site is on my domain name websparrow.xyz. So if you don't have an account, you must have to register on this site, so by clicking this register button. So now I am just logging in. Click on login, and this is the completely mobile responsive website. So you can see its mobile view. You can also use it on laptop, mobile, and this is completely suitable for mobile and laptop both. So here you can see it is completely like an app, so you can also use it like app. So you can see here, you can see total mobile balance of your account, total withdrawals, total deposits, total invest, current invest. Here you can see your invest log, deposit logs, withdrawal logs, interest log, money logs, transaction, referral, and this is your referral link, and here is your referral tree. So by clicking deposit, you can directly deposit on your account. So you just have to select the payment gateway and pay the money. By clicking my invest, you can invest in different plans. You just have to choose the plan, and you can invest in it easily. So this is how you can invest in website, same like withdraw. And you can also withdraw money, same as that of deposit and invest. So you just have to choose the gateway, and you can withdraw the money. So you can also transfer your money to any other account if you want to transfer. So this is how you can transfer money. And let's go back to our home page. So you can change also your account settings. You can log out. And so viewers, this is like a completely app version. You can use it like an app. So I'm just logging out from this account, and now let's log into our admin panel and see how it looks like. So I have opened my admin panel in the another browser, so I'll just open it. So this is the amazing admin panel of this website. First of all, you can control your site through admin panel, and this is your dashboard. You can see total invest, total pending invest, total interest amount, total users on your website, active users, and all these settings you can view right here on your dashboard. And here you can see all the notifications, your notification of deposits and withdrawals and everything right here. And You can manage roles, you can manage different admins for your website, and multiple admins can use this website and manage this site. You can manage plans. So by clicking manage plans, you can insert different plans or you can edit the existing plans. So here you can change the existing plans, you can edit them, and you can add new plan by clicking add plan. So when you click on add plan, you can add plan easily. So here is how you can create the simply plan. And sorry for the inconvenience. So here's schedule. First of all, you have to set timestamp for your plan, and then you can insert plan for that timestamp. You can manage all the users of your site from here. You can manage tickets of users, you can manage referral settings. Here you can manage payment gateways, manual payments and withdraw payments. And here you can manage payment gateways. You can create manual payment gateway or you can use these automatic payment gateways. So here is how you can create manual payment gateway. Just click on create, and you can easily create your manual payment gateway by using this by filling this information. So you can also use the other payment gateways such as Stripe, PayPal. So these are all the automatic payment gateways. You can also use bank payments. And this is the email manager. You can manage, configure email settings from general setting. Basically, you can change site title and site logo related activities. So here you can change the site name and currency, some other setting. You can view all those settings. You can change transfer charges, transfer minimum amount, transfer maximum amount, some other settings of the website. So you can turn email verifications on off from here. So you can also change the logo from this section. So basically you can change the complete website. You can control the complete website from this section. Here's manage themes section, manage language. So let's go to manage theme. And this is the manage theme section. You can manage all the themes: gold, green, and light template. So there are 3 templates because it's a latest version, and these you can use any of the theme. You just have to click on select as active and the theme will be selected. So I've already made video on it, so on laptop. So if you want to view it on laptop, you can view that video. The link of that video is in description, so you can also view that video. So these are user interest log and commission log. And you can on mobile you can do not make changings to any section of website, but when you use it on laptop, you can basically easily change sections, different sections on your website. So I've already made video on my laptop. You can view that video. The link of that video is in description. So viewers, if you want to buy the script, please feel free to contact me and I will provide you the script. And if you want the complete website with hosting and domain, we will provide you. So thanks for watching this video, and do like and subscribe to my channel.